Many experiments require precise time control, and a timer function can automate this process. Timer function overview. Basic timer feature. Most centrifuges come with a basic timer. Importance. Sets the duration of the centrifugation cycle. Digital display feature. Displays the countdown time. Importance. Allows users to monitor the remaining time. Programmable timers feature. Some models offer programmable settings. Importance. Enables complex protocols and batch processing. Continuous run mode feature. Option for continuous operation without a set time. Importance. Useful for monitoring samples manually. Auto shutoff feature. Automatically stops the centrifuge at the end of the cycle. Importance. Enhances safety and prevents over-centrifugation. Alarm system feature. Sounds an alarm when the cycle is complete. Importance. Alerts users to retrieve samples promptly. Memory functions feature. Saves previous settings for quick recall. Importance. Streamlines routine tasks and minimizes setup time. A timer function is a crucial feature that helps automate and standardize centrifugation processes. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding timer functions, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.